Welcome back, gadget enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into 8 cool gadgets that blend innovation and style to make your life easier and more fun. From smart tech to clever tools, these picks are designed to impress and upgrade your everyday routine. Get ready to discover the perfect blend of functionality and futuristic design. Razer Project Arielle is the world's first heating and cooling gaming chair, designed to revolutionize comfort during gameplay. It features an integrated fan system engineered for active airflow and maximum breathability, keeping you focused and sweat-free. The circular bladeless design ensures quiet performance and hassle-free cleaning, blending seamlessly into your setup. With on-demand cooling, it can reduce the perceived temperature by 2 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius, perfect for intense sessions or hot climates. Need warmth instead? The built-in system delivers up to 30 degrees Celsius of cozy air, making it ideal for colder environments. Motor Zero redefines shaving with a sleek, mecha-style cyberpunk chic design that feels like a high-end art toy. Its double-ring curved surface and magnetic suction cutter head are paired with a sports car-inspired breathing taillight for a truly futuristic look. Designed for shaving on the go, it features a 2-in-1 combo of mirror and razor for the ultimate beauty experience. The self-sharpening German steel blades offer 360-degree contour hugging for a smooth, skin-friendly shave with minimal irritation. High RPMs ensure powerful performance, while the magnetic assembly allows for 1-second cutter head replacement and quick cleaning. With a full optical Ultra HD metal mirror, you get precise shaving anytime, anywhere. No limits, no worries. The IPX7 waterproof build means you can rinse it without fear of water damage. Compact, cool, and easy to carry. It's perfect for business or travel, and charges fast with a Type-C port. MagHub Go is a powerful 3-in-1 portable SSD hub featuring M.2 NVMe storage of up to 4 TB, designed for ultimate performance and security. With fingerprint encryption, your data stays protected, while blazing fast 1000 megabytes per second speeds and USB-C Gen 2 10 gigabits per second transfer rates ensure smooth workflow. It supports 100-watt PD fast charging and functions as a 3-in-1 USB-C hub, perfect for MacBook Pro, iPad, Steam Deck, and even iPhone 16 Pro with MagSafe compatibility. Engineered for creators on the move, MagHub Go can record Apple ProRes 4K at 120 FPS straight from the iPhone 16 Pro, making it ideal for high-resolution content capture anytime, anywhere. CYANSKY Vanguard is the ultimate slide-action fidget and EDC flashlight, combining powerful lighting with an interactive pistol-inspired design. Delivering up to 1500 lumens with a CT30W750SL LED, it offers a 2.4-hour runtime and a beam distance of 410 meters. The 5 mW green laser, 510nm to 530nm, adds precision targeting, while serrated details enhance its playable, fidget-friendly build. Powered by a built-in 5000 mAh to 1700 Li-ion battery and a replaceable 850 mAh Sense 16280 Li-ion battery, it ensures versatile, long-lasting use. 2 independent buttons control light and laser functions, offering 5 modes: Eco, low 30 mm, medium 150 mm, high 500 mm, and turbo 1500 mm, along with strobe and SOS. A USB-C port supports fast charging, and it comes in a sleek silver finish for added style. The Platypod Delta Travel Tripod is the ultimate solution for photographers seeking sharp images without the bulk of traditional tripods. Designed with insights from pros like Scott Kelly, Delta merges the best of Platypod Ultra and Extreme into one sleek, travel-ready tool. Featuring integrated, flip-down spikes and retractable rubber feet, it supports heavy gear while staying compact enough to slip into a pocket or clip onto a belt. Delta lets you bypass tripod restrictions in museums or aquariums with its discreet profile. Ideal for long exposures, low-angle shots, and time-lapses using cameras or smartphones, it enhances social media workflows and captures stunning landscapes, cityscapes, and even the northern lights. Kohler Anthem escape to a world of well-being where immersive sprays harness the power of water, indulging the body and relaxing the mind. Experience full coverage with Catalyst technology that drenches, warms, and rinses with enhanced rain-like droplets. From soft natural rain for a calming sensation to infinite spray combinations that adapt at your command, it's a personalized spa in your shower. Enjoy deep massage with invigorating streams that knead muscles and relieve tension. Ribbon massage that cascades over shoulders, sweep spray for energizing refreshment, and cloud spray with soft droplets that gently revive and rejuvenate. Discover immersive environments that relax, invigorate, and restore, only with Kohler Anthem. Plantaform Indoor Garden revolutionizes home gardening with its sleek, modern design and cutting-edge fogponic technology. Utilizing ultrasonic foggers and soil-free pods behind magnetic windows, it allows you to grow up to 15 plants with ease and precision. Advanced horticultural LEDs adapt to your plant's needs, ensuring optimal growth at every stage. As the smartest indoor garden on the market, Plantaform delivers the fastest plant growing experience, boosting freshness, size, and nutrition. Whether it's herbs, vegetables, or flowers, grow anything you want, anytime, anywhere, all year round, right from your living room. No green thumb required. The Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max is the ultimate all-in-one pool cleaning robot, delivering unmatched coverage and performance from surface to floor. No inch goes untouched. It captures floating leaves with ease using a smart Y-path pattern, while its waveline tech scrubs the waterline with 30 seconds of continuous cleaning. With industry-leading 8500 GPatter suction and a micromesh ultrafine filter, it traps 3 micrometer debris and features reusable, easy-to-clean filters. OmniSense 2.0 with 40 ultrasonic sensors provides 360-degree scanning and real-time pool mapping via app. FlexPath 2.0 ensures adaptive path planning and 100% coverage, navigating drains, tall steps, and ladders using Aiper's patented TVC engine. It delivers 5 hours of deep cleaning and 10 hours on water surfaces, adjusting power by dirt level for efficiency. Includes Hydrocom Pro for 24/7 pool monitoring, one-click retrieval, in-app alerts, and safe wireless charging. No drying needed. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these amazing gadgets, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech updates. Let us know in the comments which gadget caught your eye or what you want to see next. Stay tuned for more cool innovations coming your way.